Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen in the markets, what I'm doing with my trades on Bitcoin, and just my thoughts on the markets. I'm here in beautiful south of France at a restaurant that's like an outdoor restaurant with my fiance, her sister, and it's very beautiful. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into for Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin is just kind of sitting again within the channel, not really much movement, which is very interesting. It's like no movement the last few days. We had this big pump, but again, I still think Bitcoin, because of the lack of volume, is going to be coming down to 28,600, bouncing 31,000, just channeling in this range the entire time. That's on the longer term time frame, on the 4-hourly, but I'll zoom in to see what's going to happen. On the 4-hour, looks like it might hold on the daily, weekly, and target 30,600. We'll zoom in closer. On the 4-hourly, oversold on the RSI, on the squeeze mob going to green. So it does look like it would actually, I would more lean to having a bullish movement on Bitcoin. We had this breakout of this descending triangle recently. Someone bought here on that hourly candle 8,000 Bitcoin, that pumped Bitcoin out of this descending triangle. This is the triangle, and it was builds pressure, and it broke out. Now it's retesting. If we can get a bounce with volume right now, that's the time to go long to 30,600. Squeeze mob is going to the green. RSI is heading up. Stochastic is heading up. So I would be going more likely that we're going to get a pump out, but I would wait to go long until we get that confirmation. We really want to have that big bounce on Bitcoin with volume, and then that's the time to go long. So where I would open my long position, I'll show you first where. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, if you sign up to ByBit, you get a $4,600 bonus when you deposit Bitcoin and start trading. You need to use this link down below, the ByBit link down in the description and pin comment. If you don't use the link, you only get $400 of bonuses. If you use the link, you get $4,600. Use NordVPN if you have any restrictions. And I would open a long on Bitcoin at the bounce with volume. So again, after it bounces with volume, that's when I would be opening the long. The target would be the top of the channel, 30,600. So I would open a long almost where we are right now, back on the weekly, daily support resistance. I would put the stop loss below the support line, below the blue channel, and target would be, actually I'd make it a very tight stop because this would be a very short-term trade. So I'd bring the stop loss just below the daily, weekly support. So that's the trade I would take. I would open a trade right now, actually only after the volume, but almost here. The trade would open at this white line. When it bounces with volume, then the trade would open. 29,500 is when I'd open the trade. Stop loss very tight. 29,375 below the weekly support, and the take profit at 30,600. This gives us a very nice risk to reward ratio trade. We're risking $177 to make $1,087 unleveraged. If we use 10x leverage, we would make $10,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $100,000 of profit. So it's a really nice risk to reward ratio trade here. I'm actually going to take this trade because the stop loss is so tight. So I'm going to open the trade here again using ByBit, the link in the description and pin comment. So you go down below, down here, you go underneath the video in the description, and you'll see the ByBit link and that $4,600 bonus. So now I would open the trade. So opening the trade at 29,500, stop loss at 29,300. So opening a long on Bitcoin, opening a long, I'm going to do a $1,000 long with a tight stop loss, order cost $1,000 long, 29,500, opening long at 29,553, 29,553, 29,553, or open a long. My take profit will be at the top of the channel, which is 30,600, and the stop loss will be at the bottom, underneath that support, which is underneath that weekly support, which is at 29,375. So amazing risk to reward. I'm risking $30 per every $30 risk. I'm making $177 profits. So very nice risk to reward. Confirm. That trade is now open. I'm going to make this a 10x leverage trade because of the very tight stop loss, so I don't risk much. So that's set. So I'm risking $60 to make $354. That will be a 10x leverage, so $10,000 trade, but it'll only open at 29,553. Confirm that trade is set. That's ready to go. In this account, I have $195,895, $195,280 something dollars. I've got BUSD 49,000, Bitcoin. I've got 44,000 Bit. I've got 38,000. I was buying Bit a lot yesterday on that drop. Someone was selling a lot of their Bit, and when they were starting to finish selling, I've been buying. It's up 4%, which is beautiful. What else do I have in here? In this account, I've got USDT 21,000, Luna 19,000, CRV almost 14,000. CRV is something I like buying as well. Over on my Binance account, I have in here 338,000. I've got BUSD 136,000, USD 84,000, Bitcoin 2, Bitcoin 59,000, and I've got BNB 56,000 worth of BNB. I've got some buy orders set for BNB a bit lower. I actually also started using STEPN today. You can see here, I just became a STEPN official walker. It cost me 6.3 Solanas for my shoes, which is very cheap now because Sol is only $37. Sol is getting, I would start buying Sol coming down from here down to $20. Had advice from a pro. Make sure you buy level 9 for your first shoe. So it's a level 9 shoe. This is the one that I bought for 6 Solana, which is around $200 and something, $250, $280. With 5+ efficiency and 5+ resiliency. Make sure base points. So he recommended, this is a really good person that's epic at this, he recommended get efficiency above 5 and resilience above 5. Mine is 13 and 35. That's the shoe I just bought to start using STEPN. STEPN is where you can, STEPN official, I recommend going to their Twitter. This is not paid advertising. I just, my fiance, I bought her shoes so she could walk, and what you do is you walk and you make money while you're walking. You earn a token while you walk. It's move to earn. I actually predicted move to earn would be a very popular thing, and it is seeming like that. So those are my Bitcoin trades. Again, using that ByBit link down below to get that bonus. You get a bonus of 4,600 when you sign up. This is the NFTs for Magicraft have been revealed. These are some of the NFTs. Someone got a rare and 2 normal ones. Thank you, James. I've learned a lot from your channel. Jamie, you made me a millionaire. Good, congratulations, Mike. You're the man. Love the crypto course. Beautiful. Carter, the best subscription of this year by far. Thanks for what you do. You're welcome. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market. That's what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. It is a little bit slow, but that's my thoughts. I'm going to jump into the restaurant. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, every time you comment on every video, every month, I'm going to pick the winner of $1,000 monthly. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you again tomorrow.